How to remove the Wi-Fi card from your Asus Tuf gaming laptop. As you can see, it's the Asus Tuf and mine is already opened. You will have to open it. Simply unscrew these screws and dislocate this cover from your back of your laptop. Once you are done, next step is to grab your laptop and you have to unplug this little thing. It's the power. You don't want to get hit while repairing something, so simply use your hand and pull it from this jack or what it is. Mine is already unplugged and we want to locate the Wi-Fi card, which is here. This is the little Wi-Fi card. You will need the screwdriver. Unscrew this little screw, pull this thing, don't lose it, and also again use the screwdriver and unscrew this little screw. And here is the Wi-Fi card. Unplug these two wires. You can pull it very gentle or just unplug these two wires and simply remove your Wi-Fi card. By default on your Asus Tuf gaming laptop, this is the Realtek Wi-Fi card. It causes problems with Wi-Fi connectivity. My Wi-Fi icon kept disappearing and I have to clean it. If you want to simply clean it, just use the screwdriver and clean these little connectors or use the rubber, also this. And that's how you can remove the Wi-Fi card. Now you want to put back the Wi-Fi card. So if you have the new one, I'm gonna put it here, the old one. So use this method. We want to put it back, use your finger, and now click the wires. This is the hardest section of this, hardest part, because it will take a time until you click it. So it didn't take that long. Now place back the screw to keep your Wi-Fi card tight. Also double check if these two wires aren't loose. And now we want to place back this thing, which is, I don't know what it is. Simply grab it with your left hand and place it back. Be very gentle. It should click and it should be done. And now put this screw back to its place. So my Wi-Fi card was removed and put back, so you can use this tutorial on your own. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.